I am here doing my review of the wireless doorbell. Oops, sorry. My son wants to get involved in it. Hold on. Okay. So as you can see there, you just plug it into the wall and you can choose from different melodies. As you can see, there's a Christmas one there. And yeah, show them how you do it. Okay, so it's got several different melodies. I'm trying to find one here that I like. And I like that one myself. So I'm going to put that one right there. So then once it stops playing, and as you see, you've got your volume right here. You can adjust the volume up and down. This will be attached with this, oops, oh, sorry guys, with this little piece here. It attaches to the back of this, oops, like that. And then you'll just put it on outside your home, wherever you want your doorbell to be. And then I'm going to show you all they have to do your doorbell is click. And if you have a 2-year-old like I do, you might want to plug this in somewhere up out of their reach so they won't keep playing with it all day, every day. So that is my review. I love this. I live in a mobile home, so there is not a doorbell. So, and sometimes it does get annoying. I don't hear when people knock a lot of the times with dogs and kids. Sometimes you just miss a knock. So this is very handy if you have a home that does not have a doorbell. You don't have to install it. It's very easy. Just push a button, put this on outside your home, and put that in an outlet, and you've got a doorbell. So I did receive this as a sample for promotional purposes so that I could review and let you know my thoughts and opinions on this. I am just a regular Amazon purchaser. I like to share my views and opinions on products so that others can make an educated purchase. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.